Hey, I'm James Crouch with Alliance Tire, here with Ryan from Heartland Tire. So we're here at the field day in Ames, Iowa. It's June 19th. He's just been through all the trainings in the morning. What do you think so far?
It's outstanding. You know, the detail and the value selling proposition is critical. So as our sales guys are going out and they're meeting with associate dealers, and they're meeting with end users, they've got a little more knowledge to talk about things that the competition's not talking about. They're saying, hey, I got a premium brand tire, buy it because it feels good, right? This offers a lot more technical information on soil compaction, all the things that you've been talking about today that, quite frankly, I wasn't aware of, right? And so just the toolbox, enhancement for the sales team is super important.
Really what we're trying to do here, I mean, we're a value brand. We want to own that space, but we want to provide all the training and the proof that all the big brands do, but still maintain our competitive price point.
100%. And you know, one of the biggest things, even outside of this event today, the field support that Alliance has compared to our competition is second to none. We obviously deal with other suppliers out there, and we've got great support, but this is next level. And you guys are investing in more field sales support than any other supplier is out there. And really, I always say the squeaky wheel gets the grease, and the more time that our sales guys can spend with the content experts from the supplier to meet with those end users is huge, absolutely huge. So thank you for doing that.
Yeah, no, we've been consistently adding headcount and just we're trying to maintain that value space, but we're trying to give all the support in the field that premium brands do. We just brought on field engineering. We've got 2 or 3 of those guys now. We've been adding headcount for sales to try to make the territories more manageable so they can see you guys more. We're going to keep going. So any other feedback from the day?
This is outstanding. And I think the more that we can do events like this and bring, associate dealers and end user customers. And I know we have probably at least 2 to 3 to 4 customer appreciation events scheduled throughout the rest of the summer right now. We're going to have events at our locations, bringing people in, feed them some food, have the content experts come talk about some of this type of stuff that resonates with these guys to say, hey, yeah, this is my dirt. I have to protect my investment in the dirt, and this is why this makes a difference.
Yeah, it's all about soil health.
It's a really big deal. And really, connecting with customers is everything. Relationships in this business are everything. Trust in those relationships is everything. The product is really a byproduct. The product is important, but having the support and the service from a good dealer and a good supplier is really, really, quite frankly, everything.
Well, Ryan, thank you for taking time out of your day to come visit.
Very much appreciate
you taking some stuff away.
We absolutely are.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.